I'm Dan.
I'm Amber.
I'm Dave.
I'm Prudy.
And I'm Lucy.
On July 6th, 2016, I set off for a journey that would change my life forever. This journey was unlike anything that I had ever been on before. I was at a new location, I was surrounded by new people from all over the country, and I was around people who lived very different lives than I did. I can tell you from experience, once you have been around true happiness, your life will never be the same. The world is so concerned with material value, and that there is very little emphasis placed upon relationships, and like relationships with friends and family. Many people find that their personal value is based off the things that they own, not the person that they are. Once you realize that money does not equal happiness, you are able to live a more full and happy life. Unlocking the key to true happiness may not be as difficult as it seems. For as long as I can remember, I've had a desire to make a difference. I've thrived from interaction with others. I find a deep satisfaction in making somebody else's day better. And I've always seen impoverished people but never quite knew what to do. And that was the case until I joined my church and became more active in my youth group. A mission trip opportunity arose to go to Hayesville, North Carolina. This was my first ever mission trip, and I didn't know what to expect. Hayesville was a very poor community, and there was many houses in desperate need of repair. And I had never been completely submerged in the impoverishment that I saw in Hayesville. Churches from all over the United States joined at the Hinton Rural Life Center to group up into work groups. I was partnered with 13 strangers, and we were assigned to work for a family of a mobile home who had repairs needed to the house. The trailer had a roof that leaked every time it rained, and had very poor air quality, as the moist environment from the leaks created lots of mold in the inside of the mobile home. The home had no AC, and the family was forced to live in very small living quarters. The family had enough food for one meal a day without the help of the food bank, and the children from the house had torn shirts, short shorts, and shoes that had holes in them. And the children also had no toys or games to play with, or at least very few. But yet this family was one of the happiest that I'd ever encountered. After a long day's work, the homeowners of the mobile home would pull us, and we would all gather to the porch of their home. And every afternoon, she would make us vegetable soup with the little resources she had. Although she didn't have much, she was very, very thankful to be able to share what she had with us, which made us very happy, as well as her. The children of the home would tell us every day how happy they were that we were there to help repair their home so that their living conditions would be better. We would play every day in the backyard during our breaks and after work time, where we would create flower crowns with them with the wildflowers that grew. The happiness from these children did not stem from anything material that they had. It came from the love that they felt from their family and the love that they felt from us, and they were very content with what they had. According to a study by The New Yorker in 2014, many impoverished people reported feeling that their lives had meaning and that they felt satisfaction. Happiness can be found when one digs deep within themselves to find what truly makes them happy. Relationships have a big impact on one's happiness and the ability to be content with life. Using an object as a means for happiness can lead to a fleeting sense of fulfillment. Once one lets go of the happiness that is found within a material thing, they're able to find a kind of joy and contentment with life that they could not find anywhere else. Thank you.